Grilled salmon in 10 minutes. We start by buying a big thick piece of fresh salmon. Cut the desired portion. Here I'm cutting 2 nice pieces, and then I'm gonna take what's left and put it to marinate for the next day. Run a cold water in the sink with a little bit of soap and clean them in this manner. Give them another bath with just water to make sure you take out all the soap from them, and then pat them dry. You can take what's left and put it in a bag to marinate for next day. I aligned the board with plastic bag before I cut the fish, and now I can take it out and it's clean. Pat dry the salmon cuts, and now we're ready for seasoning. In a small plate, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of dried onion. If you like caramelized onion taste, that's an optional. Mix the spices with the tip of your fingers and flip the salmon from the top side into the season. Add avocado oil or any oil that can take the high heat. Make sure that the oil is sizzling before you place the salmon into the skillet. Now the skillet looks hot and ready. Place the top of the salmon into the bottom of the pan. What we want to do is achieve caramelized onion taste. Cook the salmon 5 minutes on each side. Cover the pan with a screen to make sure that the oil doesn't splatter. Now let's get the sauce started. Place a small pan on medium heat. Squeeze inside 1 medium lemon juice. When the lemon juice boils, add 2 big tablespoons of butter. Melt the butter gently and turn off the fire quickly. We don't want the butter to burn. When stirring the butter, please make sure that you use a spatula that is heat resistant and non-toxic. Wood spoons are also a good choice. When the butter melts, turn off the heat. Keep stirring and add the desired amount of salt. The first 5 minutes of the fillet is done. We turn it around to cook the other side for again 5 minutes. You can see the caramelized onion is dark brown. Baste the fillet with its own fat. Now cover with a screen and again leave it for 5 minutes. When it's done, put a thermometer in the middle of the salmon fillet. The temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Now put the fillet in the middle of a plate and put the sauce on top of it.